This will be the elevator at the Candlewood Suites, Indianapolis, Indiana, near Castleton Square Mall. It's like a mile from the mall. We've got an Otis Series 1. Here it is. Here you go. Grab my cat view now, all this thing's empty.
You didn't bring your towels with you.
We'll take a little more effort before. Here's your phone. Your certificate. This button's not in the best shape here. And that fan is annoying. 2,500 pound capacity. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but you can pretty much hear that fan through the whole hallway. We're stopping on 3. It takes forever to level going down. Going down? Come on in. Going to lobby? Alright. No problem. Here you go, you have a good one.